I'm Mike Walsh, CEO of Espri Gas. At Espri Gas, we like to make what's complex for you very simple. Our products, industrial and medical gases, and the equipment and services that are related to them are used in all kinds of applications. This training is designed to teach you about the products we sell and the processes related to them. I want to thank you for taking the time to learn, because above all else, our number one goal is delivering a world-class customer experience for you. Thank you.
Hello, and thank you for taking the time to view this safety presentation. Today we're going to discuss the proper ways to determine the contents of high-pressure gas cylinders. The method used to determine the contents of a cylinder varies in regards to its contents. There are two ways to determine contents of high-pressure cylinders. First, by determining the inlet pressure of a cylinder and by using the weight formula. Determining contents based on pressure ratings is most effective for nitrogen and oxygen pressure cylinders. To determine the pressure of a high pressure cylinder, connect a regulator or test gauge to the cylinder and read the inlet pressure gauge. When connecting a regulator to the cylinder, do not force the threading. Each regulator is equipped with a Compressed Gas Association CGA fitting that ensures that the regulator is only used when the types of gas for which it has been designed. If the inlet of the regulator does not fit the cylinder outlet, check and ensure that you are using the correct regulator. Oxygen and nitrogen pressure ratings should be between 1800 and 2200 psi. Ensure that the inlet pressure rating registers within this expected pressure range. A low cylinder pressure reading may be indicative of a leaking valve or of a cylinder that has not been properly filled, both of which can be dangerous. If a low pressure reading is captured, ensure that the cylinder is in a dry, protected, and well-ventilated area and immediately call Espri Gas customer service team for assistance. Some acetylene valves have a hand-wheeled knob to open the valve. Others may require a valve stem wrench specific for acetylene MC and B cylinders. The pressure ratings on an acetylene cylinder may vary due to a variety of factors, including composition, mass of the filler, and temperature. In fact, acetylene will rise or fall 2.5 psi for each degree of rise or fall in temperature. What this means for you is that if it's cold outside, the liquid in the cylinder will be cold as well, causing the pressure rating to show a lower level of acetylene. As the cylinder warms up as it is being used in the field, the liquid will also warm and the regulator will begin to show the true level of contents in the cylinder. Due to this extreme variability, the inlet pressure rating of these cylinders is not a good indicator of contents level. To most accurately determine contents of acetylene cylinders, the CGA recommends using the weight formula. The weight formula is a recognized method for determining the content status of an acetylene cylinder, and it involves physically weighing the cylinder. Using a digital scale, weigh the full cylinder and subtract the tare weight of the cylinder to determine the product weight. The tare weight is stamped on the side of each cylinder. Each pound of product weight is equal to 14.5 cubic feet of gas. To determine the amount of cubic feet of gas remaining in the cylinder, simply multiply the product weight by 14.5. A standard acetylene MC cylinder contains 10 cubic feet of gas, and a standard acetylene B cylinder contains 40 cubic foot of gas when full. However, this can vary based on environmental conditions. If after using the weight formula, you determine that your cylinder is leaking or was not delivered as expected, please contact our customer service team for further assistance. This concludes our training on determining contents for high pressure gas cylinders. If you have any questions about the material covered in this video, please do not hesitate to contact us.